In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders and set up folder rules in Microsoft Outlook efficiently and swiftly following our 2025 guide. Managing your emails can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with Outlook's folder and rule setup, you can keep your inbox organized with ease. Let's dive into the process together, making sure everything is both clear and actionable. First, you'll want to start by opening Outlook. Once you're in your inbox, select the email that you want to organize. This is important because setting up rules based on an email can streamline the process. Next, right-click on your email account or directly on the inbox section. You'll see various options appear. Click on Move. Now, to bring structure to your mailbox, click Create New Folder. Imagine this new folder as a creative hub for all emails relating to a specific theme or project. For example, let's call it Project to keep things straightforward. Once you've typed in the folder name, simply click on Save. And there you have it. Your new folder is ready. Up next, we're moving to the top bar menu to explore setting up rules. Look for the option labeled Rules and click on it. Then select Create Rule. This is where the magic of automation comes to play, allowing Outlook to do the heavy lifting for you. When prompted, click Select a Folder. Here you'll find your newly created project folder. Click on it to ensure emails marked by your set conditions will move there automatically. Once selected, click OK to confirm your choice. To view your new setup, click on View Rules. This lets you verify everything is working as it should. If you'd like to create more rules, proceed by clicking Add New Rule. This part allows for more personalization. You can name your rule, add specific conditions, and even define the actions you want Outlook to take. This could be particularly useful if you're dealing with high volumes of email and need a way to sort them quickly and effectively. After you've tailored your rule to suit your needs, be sure to click Save. Now your rules will automatically organize your incoming emails into the project folder or whatever name you've decided on, keeping your inbox clearer and your task management more efficient. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using folders and setting up folder rules in Microsoft Outlook. With these tools at your disposal, you can manage your emails more productively and maintain a concise, organized workspace. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Happy organizing!